All right, welcome to the Birds experiences, and today our experience is going to be a speckled MouseBird. This little bird is the largest species of the MouseBird family, and it's the most common bird. It's found in Central Africa, Eastern and Southern Africa. It's basically 35 centimeters long, but of all its length, basically the tail, as you can see, it compromises or consists of it's the biggest part of its height. Apparently, it's about 57 grams, but I cannot say that for certain, but that's what is speculated. There are many special things about this bird. One of them is basically it has reversible outer toes. The reason for these toes, okay, actually the biggest importance of them is they help this little bird to hang upside down. They are non-solitary birds, as you'll see in my video. Like I always say, most of these birds are non-solitary birds. They're always in groups. If you see one, expect to see another nearby. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you haven't subscribed, because this is a baby channel, kindly subscribe, because I have too many species of birds to show you. As time goes by, you are going to enjoy this channel and learn so much as I learn alongside you as well. Thank you. See right here, this little bird is hanging upside down. It has friends. We'll talk about those birds in another video, because I have a whole video for those. But see, it's able to hang upside down, but the others are not able to do that, as you can see clearly. It's a beautiful bird. It's really magnificent. Wow. Oh.